Welcome. On this video, I want to show you at least 5 ways on how you can fix your finances. So many people are wondering, they are confused, and they are worried about life. Number 1 way on how you can fix your finance is spend less than what you earn. Many people, they spend more than they earn. But if you want to fix your finance issues, then develop a culture of spending less than what you earn. Number 2, avoid bad debts. In debts, we have 2 categories. We have good debt and bad debt. But if you want to fix your financial issues, then avoid bad debt. Bad debt is taken for consumption. So if you are taking a loan and that loan is not going to buy an asset, then it will be meant for consumption, and you'll pay higher interest for such a loan. So that's a bad debt that you can evade. Number 3, develop multiple sources of income. If the only thing you know is about your job, the salary, you see, the problem with salary is that it feels good at the end of the month when you receive it, but it makes you dependent. So I will say this, as an employee, you can start a side hustle, you can start a business, and you grow this business in a way that it will also generate some amount for you beside your daily job. So that is a stream. You can also invest your money so that you can generate some interest on it. You can invest in a stock market, mutual funds. You can buy real estate, and you'll be good to go when it comes to fixing your financial issues. Number 4 is that think long term. So many people, they struggle financially because they think of short term. When you talk about long term, is that you will be patient and consistency when it comes to investing for decades, so that you can break the cycle of financial issues. So start thinking of what will you do after 10 years, or where do you want to be financially after 20 years. That is the long term we are talking about. So you can fix your financial issues by start thinking long term. Then number 5, pay yourself first. Always, this is a rule from the book of George Curzon, The Richest Man in Babylon. He says you need to pay yourself first. And when we talk about paying yourself first, is that you ensure that you save and you invest your money to grow before spending that money to anything. So the first thing you do is to save and invest before you spend. So I will teach you how you will do this. When you get that paycheck, the first thing is to save, invest, then spend. But the majority of people, when they receive that paycheck, they spend, they save, then invest. Such a slogan, it will not be of help when it comes to fixing your financial issues. So these 5 things, you can pick one and it can be of help to you. It has helped so many people, and it's still helping them. And the rich people, that is how they think. They think to remain rich. And you will hear people say the gap between the poor and the rich will continue increasing. It is true, because the way they think is not the way the poor people and the middle class think. Share this video, subscribe. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Bye.